Is your Windows Run Dropdown not saving commands? I'll show a quick fix plus a permanent registry fix that actually works, step by step. Here's the issue. Commands you type in Win+R aren't being saved. If that's you, follow these steps. First, try this simple fix. Settings, Privacy and Security. General, then enable Let Windows improve start and search results by tracking app launches. This often restores run history immediately. If the toggle is grayed out or reverts, back up the registry, then create a DWORD named start_track_progs under HKCU/software/Microsoft/Windows/CurrentVersion/Explorer/Advanced and set it to 1. I'll paste the ready reg file in the description. Verify RunMRU exists and restart Explorer. If you previously deleted RunMRU, note changes may require restarting Explorer or rebooting. If you use privacy cleaners, disable their run history cleaning or whitelist Explorer. Otherwise, they'll erase history again. Now test type, close, reopen. Your run history should show. That's it. If this helped, like, subscribe, and I pin the reg/powershell files in the description. Comment if you want a version for domain managed PCS.